I've been putting off filming this video for a month now, which means the stuff that is in this video has accumulated significantly in the last couple of weeks. Hey everyone, I just wanted to kind of pop in and talk about the fact that this still isn't a try-on haul. I keep getting like remarks and stuff on Reddit that none of my videos are try-on hauls, which is valid. I'm just not at a place right now with my body where I feel comfortable doing that. I know there was a period of time where I was, but you know, ebbs and flows. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out. I apologize if that bothers you. I'm just not in a place right now where I can do that. So I haven't filmed in a really long time. This feels really awkward and weird. It's not. It's really not. I'm just a baby. It's every goody two-shoes favorite time of the year, back to school season. Things are a little different. We are not going back to class. Our campus is open at my school for like extracurriculars and whatnot. However, we are not doing the whole in-class thing this semester, which is really sad, but also probably smart. But I did still buy myself a wardrobe that should get me through fall and winter. I don't really plan on adding much more. So I apologize for any of the city sounds because nothing is working right now. And apparently there's fire alarm testing, so that's great. Anywho, we are not technically going back into class. We're able to access campus and labs and whatnot, but the majority of everything will be from home, which kind of is sad, but also very smart in the sense that like there's a pandemic. But I wanted to get myself a few pieces that I felt would keep me going through like winter, like just some really nice pieces that I don't either own or fall kind of within the category of things that I do typically like to wear. So let's start from the top of, I have 3 different stores, no I guess technically 4. I have 4 different stores that I shopped at, so I'm just gonna go store by store, not like item, like category by category, you know? So anyways, the first thing I have is this really pretty black slip dress from American Eagle. I don't remember how much it was. I did get it a size up, so I got it in an extra large. It has like a ruching back. It's kind of big on me, but honestly like I feel like an extra large would be too short on me for sure, but also like I just like that I can breathe a little bit better in this dress. Just the way it is, it's perfect, and I've always kind of hated slip dresses. This is like the 5th time I've bought one, but this one finally worked, so we stand. The next thing I got is this off the shoulder like bodysuit thing. It's a thong bodysuit, which I didn't realize. So I think I'm actually just gonna cut it into a shirt because I really like the style and I haven't been able to find something like it in my size. Like I just hate that it's a thong bodysuit. I find that incredibly uncomfortable. So yeah, this was, it says USD $29.95. I can guarantee I didn't pay for like that much for it. I probably paid like 20 Canadian for it, which is a great price for a bodysuit, and it feels really durable, and I think that this is a great piece for more like not prevent, like I wouldn't wear this to class, but I would wear this to like a social or something like that that's not like super fancy. Granted, those aren't happening right now, but when they do, I think it'll be great, and I'm really crossing my fingers for winter. The next thing I got, I don't know what you would call, I feel like this is like a ballerina style top, I think is what they advertised it as, and it's just like this cropped tight black long sleeve. I love black long sleeve shirts. I don't have one that isn't like a turtleneck, so this is perfect. It was, so again, it says $29.95. I didn't pay that much. I don't pay for anything full price, but it's really soft. It's not their soft and sexy material, but it is really soft and like a lot thicker than the soft and sexy material, which I think is great for fall especially. And then I did something. This is not something I would normally do, but I did buy a pair of bike shorts. These are mostly to wear to the gym. Like I probably wouldn't wear these out just because I'm not super confident about the way that I look in them. However, they are really comfortable, and I think they make a really good pair of gym shorts. They're really thick, and because the legs are so long, my thighs won't get super uncomfortable when I'm running or doing physical activity in any capacity. So I think that these are great, and I'm really excited to try them. These are the offline OG bike shorts, so they're not technically like for working out, but they feel like they're really well structured, so I think that these are a great pair to have for working out regardless. The next thing that I got is this gorgeous pine like green cardigan, like really deep green cardigan. It's so pretty. and soft. This is in a large, extra large, and it's so soft. I might actually put it on. Cardigans are a huge staple in my wardrobe, and this one is so like soft, and it's one of my favorite colors. I love forest green. I think it's beautiful. I got deodorant on my shirt. That's so embarrassing. And yeah, like it's just a wonderful little piece. I'm not actually gonna keep it on. I don't know why I thought I would. Then I got this top. This one was a bit of a rogue choice. I'm kind of trying to like revamp my style a little bit, so there's a couple pieces that are a little bit different than something I would typically wear. But this is in a large, extra large, and it's a wolf print t-shirt. I thought it was really cool. I haven't been able to find one at a thrift. I haven't been able to find something similar at a thrift store, and it's a style that I've been really looking for. And it's just so comfy and easy and oversized that I literally could not pass on it. It's so cute, and I think that it will pair with a lot of cool things in my wardrobe. So yeah. Next I got this dress, and I don't think I like it. I think I'm probably gonna return it. But it is this like baby doll dress. It looks really silly on me. It makes my boobs look really weird, and I like hate it, so I'm probably gonna return it. It has pockets, which was cute, and like dresses are fun because you don't really have to think about what your outfit is, because your dress is your outfit. But I can't with that. I cannot with it. The next item, oh my god, my hair is all over everything. That's so funny. Is this like peplum kind of. The next thing is this like peplum blouse. It's so pretty. It has an open back, which I think is so like, I don't know, it's so dainty and gorgeous. I love it so much. I did buy like a special like stick-on bra to wear with it so that you couldn't see my bra at the back. I don't know if it'll work because big boobies, but I'm really excited to see what I can do with this. And even if like I'm not the kind of person who's like, oh no, like you can see my bra straps. Like if you can see my bra straps, you can see my bra straps. I don't care. But I'm really excited to style these with like some black jeans or like mom jeans. I think this is just a really pretty top. Then I have this top. So pretty. I have a top in the same kind of style. I had to buy this a size bigger because they ran out of my size, but I love the floral print. I think it's so pretty. I've been really into blouses lately, and it's so pretty. I don't know how to explain it. It's so pretty, and it's like I'm lost for words. Next I got this blouse. I'm kind of on the fence about it. I thought that it was going to be red based on the pictures, and I feel like it looks red on camera, but it's very pink. It's just this like it's I don't even know how to explain it. Like it's just like a flowy kind of top. I think it's really pretty. I think the idea is really great. I just don't know if I can like execute it properly. I'm gonna try a little bit, but I don't know. Like I don't know, like I really love the idea of it. Like I love how like flowy, and I love the print, and it's just so pretty, but I don't know. Finally, the last clothing item I got from American Eagle is this denim jacket. It's like a distressed denim. There's like rip repair through it. I love it. I love the style. I love how it takes like your basic average denim jacket and just kind of like makes it a little bit more like fun and cool and like carefree. I really like it a lot, and I cannot wait to wear this. I also got a couple of accessories. I also got a couple of accessories from American Eagle. I got this set of necklaces. These are so pretty. They're just like these really like dainty like silver necklaces, and I love them. And then I also got this like gold one. I think is really cool. I love their jewelry. I love their accessories. They're all really cool and like quirky. Not quirky. They're not quirky at all. They're really basic, but they're all really cool, like pretty staple pieces that can go into your wardrobe. I don't know. I'm a huge like necklace kind of lady. And then I kind of shopped around at H&M. I don't shop there very often anymore, but I did go in because they were having like a huge clearance. Just like after they'd been closed for so long, they had so much back stock, I guess. So it was buy one get one free on like everything. So the first thing that I got is this really sick mock neck sweater. It's like Cruella de Vil vibes like all the way, but I think it's so fun and fresh and cool, and I'm so excited to style this. This is like a really cool winter style. I don't know, I just love it. I feel like if you had like asymmetrical hair too, or like color split down the middle, like it would look really sick. But I basically got this for free, which is kind of sick. Really fun, love that. And then I also got in that sale just these plaid, this is the back, these plaid pants. They're stretchy pants, which is really fun. But they have a really cool plaid pattern, which I'm always in love with, and I've been looking for a pair of like skinnier plaid pants for a while, so these are perfect, and they were like $14, which is insane, so we stan. And then finally from H&M, I got just this bouncy little cami. It's like a little slip cami. I just tuck these into jeans, and I find that it gives me like a kind of put together look. Looks like what I'm wearing now. This is a stretchy cami, but this is like an actual like blouse fabric cami, so love that. Okay, and then the last place I got clothes from was Dynamite. I got a couple things. I don't know if I'm gonna keep much of it, but I wanted to try something. I don't know. So the first thing I got is this green t-shirt. You guys know that I love this color because I mentioned it earlier, but the V is really low, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I find it makes my boobs look kind of weird, so I'm kind of still debating on that one. I also got this like thick striped shirt. I think it's really pretty and just like a really cool basic to have in my wardrobe. I find that like stripes are cool, and I don't have something like this. So yeah, all of my striped t-shirts got ruined from working at Starbucks, so that's fun. And then the last thing I got is this nude kind of like camel color turtleneck. I don't have anything in this color. I think these would look cool with a pair of white jeans. I did order some to see if they would be cool, but they haven't come yet. So I don't know. I think that these would look cool with black jeans as well, or just like under like a pinafore dress or something. I think that this is just a cute little thing. I haven't tried it on. It might be too close to my skin tone, but I don't know. We'll see. And then I also got one pair of shoes from Soft Mock, and I just got some platform checkered Vans. These are a pair of shoes that I've been wanting forever, and decided to buy recently because I don't know, I just decided that it was time that these were my wardrobe, and these are actually really comfortable. I've been breaking them in the last couple of days, and I've yet to get any blisters, so that's good, fun, and fresh. And I love Vans. I love the style. Yeah, they're just a really cool staple and kind of go with everything. So I'm always down for that, and it also adds a bit of height, so it takes me from about like 5'8" to like 5'8.5", so fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's like weird and long, and I haven't done a haul like this in a while, but I've just bought a lot of things, and to make myself feel better about it, I'm gonna show you. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please subscribe if you did, and leave a thumbs up or something. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.